we are tried. So I learn many things from the whenever I get a opportunity. So day by day, I am enhancing my English, and nowadays I am able to talk at least people's something. Yeah, my
Okay,
yeah,
I can understand. Yeah, in beginnings you must have multiple problems. You are not being able to convey your message. You always forget your vocabulary. You are
yeah,
not able to convey your proper sentence, what you want to express surrounding the people. I know
yeah,
this is the minor issues of every learner's life, but
yeah,
if you sustain your consistency and regularly, if you do practice more and more, so you
yeah.
can remove this problem permanently, I would say.
Okay.
And of course, now you are speaking very nice, I can say. You
Yeah.
put so much effort over this language. Now you are
Thanks.
so, you are looking so confident, I can say. Bit.
So why not? So my name is Anup Kumar. I am from Jharkhand state, and I am my 12th is completed, and I am waiting for my result. And I am also my hobby is like little bit like you for communicate to people for exchange ideas and culture what's there and they what's thinking, and I am curious about this. Thank. That's it.
Hmm, good to hear that. So tell me, like, how long have you been learning this language, and why are you learning?
Okay, I am started learning English in class 10th. When I am class 10th, one teachers are motivated me and many people's students. Then I realization yeah it's required in form because they help me in study and communicate to people, and English are also acceptable in the world over, and
Okay.
it's help, yeah, and that's also helped me in the whenever I go to any foreign peoples, and if you go to south place, then south is not now, south peoples are not now about Hindi, so it's required to talk with them in English, and also help me in my job.
That's great. So in that situation, in your present time, what kinds of job do you do?
No, I said already my 12th is over, so I am waiting for my result. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh,
you like okay, so you like traveling, you said.
yes.
Okay, so which place you wanted to go if you give a chance to any place?
I love to visit every place. There is no
Yes.
specific place to indicate you. I love to
Okay.
visit every place. Yes.
So how many places you visited already?
Yeah, I visited a few places, not much more.
Okay, but which
So,
place?
do you want to name? Do you want to name
Huh? Yeah,
every
yeah.
place?
Yeah, no, at
Okay.
least some place which are you unique place which you manual like you think
hmm
that is good place, and you suggested this place are peoples are going.
Of course, I would say few place name like Kedarnath. You can go. Kedarnath. It's a very great place, a spiritual place. You can say
Yeah,
there you are going to have multiple views. That is so incredible, I would say, and you are going to have multiple visitor there. So Kedarnath is the very best place. Another place I would like to mention here. You need to go Kolkata, where you are going to have Habra Bridge, right?
yeah, yeah.
And many places are there. According to your interest, you can go. Yes. So tell me, what type of job do you want? May I know
But repeat again.
what type of job do you want to get?
Okay, so I want to get a job like it related to tech or government if possible. Then that's it. What you which type of job you wanted? Are you a working person? No, or a student like for a study competition exam like that.
I said you, I'm a primary teacher.
Oh, your primary teacher. I not listen. Okay,
Okay, no
nice.
issue. So how long, what is the way of you to improve your English? What do you do in your present time? How are you improving your
Okay,
English?
yeah. So I improving the people's. I wanted. I talk with my peoples which are my friends. I started from the class 10th also. I tried something, but day by day I search in Google and something whenever I get a opportunity to talk, like you peoples, very nice peoples which are talking want to talking with me, and they support I also, and they also support me, and day by day I learn English. That's it.
Okay, that's great. Do you like reading?
Yeah, I like reading, and because if you like not reading, so many, how say, very big words are coming, and when I reading there and understand and do one new vocabulary, I learn it through this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a great. That's very important for you. Reading is the way you are going to have multiple vocabulary, and this is very
Yeah,
important for every learners to read multiple books. So, what
yeah.
type of books do you read nowadays? Can you mention the name of that book?
Not unique, but I mentioned it. I used to from in Google websites. I open it like English news. I listen it, and some new, and also my books in when I am study in class 12th. Many new words are coming in my English book, new vocabulary which I am not now. Then I search it and now about something.
Okay, okay. So, according to you, like there is no specific book have you been following, right?
Yeah,
Random
yeah.
book are you following? And yeah, that's a great, of course,
So
because
any book, yes,
yes.
I
So yeah,
say
tell
so.
me.
Yeah, yeah. So I say any book you wanted to suggest to people who, because you are primary teacher, you have more knowledge than me and every person who are wanted beginner and wanted to learn peoples who are not now. Any books?
Of course, of course, I would like to recommend you Sudha Murthy book. Sudha Murthy
Sudham?
book is so convenient book for every learners. You are going to have very simple vocabulary there, and
Yeah,
all the statement it is being written in a very easy manner, so you can easily understand everything. It will maintain your interest level and it will sustain your enjoyment as well, so you can learn many more things through this book. Sudha Murthy, you must purchase.
okay, nice.
Yes.
So,
So
so how many? Okay, so if you wanted, so if you give a chance, any people, so any country you like to would like to go for a foreign country?
yeah, of course.
Which country?
I love I love to go London. I would say London is a very beautiful place where you are
Yeah,
going to have so many incredible things,
yeah.
which is very amazing. So London, I would like to go, of course.
Only one country,
Yes,
Britain.
London. Yes.
So you
So
like
tell,
also what? Repeat. Say,
Mhm.
say.
Okay. I have one question. Like as you mentioned, are you a student? So how do you manage your daily routine? What do you do in your holiday? May I know?
Why not? So nowadays I am now my exam is completed. So I try to search it my best university, and also I talking that now in free time. Then I talking to peoples and improve enhancing my English nowadays.
Hmm. Okay, that's great. So at this time, do you have any partner in your houses or in your society with whom you can talk to in English, or you are depending only on this application?
Yeah, nowadays here are not many not friends because my school and college are ending now. So, but whenever I am depend mostly in these apps, and some whenever I reading Google's through the books readings. That's it. I am not any.
Don't. Don't vibrate your phone. Don't vibrate your phone.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I understand. Being a student has lots of responsibility, finishing their homeworks, listening parents talk, and they have to follow all instructions, right? So you have lots of responsibility, and as well as you have been working on your communication skill. So it's not a very easy task for any student's life.
Yeah.
And as well as you have a desire of to be something in your life, right? To be, as you mentioned, like you want to be a government employee, right? So it's an
Yeah.
obvious thing. You have to do much hard work in order to become employee in government, right? That's
Thanks
great.
for your advice.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Yeah.
So, like in this time, I would like to know, like, which problem do you face in speaking?
Okay, I'm problem I when I am beginner. So that time I am very hesitated, like shy person I doing like because beginners every person that's a problem. That time I am also facing after two
Okay.
years ago. After 2 years ago I facing many problem hesitation. If I am talking to anyone, so I am hesitated. Some few words are also I not saying them any which are using daily life words. So I but because I started 2 years ago already, I am beginner that time. But nowadays I am. You said already I am like confidence because if I say about me more, so people so it's not good because if any person said you are good confidence like you telling so it's benefit because I don't know what's now I am because other people said then I realized it's good confidence like you telling so it's benefit because I don't know what's now I am
Yeah, I understand. I understand, and this is the that's why I have given you compliment so that you can work more
yeah
on yourself, right? And this is a very important for you to have feedback, right? That's
yeah
why I have
thanks.
given you. Yes.
Okay, and today are your leave day holiday?
Actually, today, actually Navratra is going on.
Oh
Navratri
yeah,
is going on, right?
yeah.
So I took leave. I have lots of work, so that's the
Yeah, yeah,
reason I stay at my home. And
yeah.
you messaged me whenever you messaged me. That time I was engaged into some work, and due to
Okay.
that reason, I was unable to call you. But today in the evening, in the morning time, I was free, so thought let's connect.
Yeah. Okay, so also
Hmm.
I think you help the many peoples also in online and many in your surrounding which many students wanted to because I think about yourself now because you are a friendly person which helped wanted to help any other person also.
Yeah, yeah, this is important, to be friendly with everyone. So the
Yeah,
people can, express their opinions, their, issues, their problems with you,
yeah,
and then you can help them, right?
yeah.
Yes. So
So
this
that
is
you
very
connect.
important.
So that you connected to you understand my I want what I wanted to talking so that
Yeah, yeah. Of course, I understand, and I can, I really want to help every co-learners who have been suffering, into this language. This is my responsibility because I'm a teacher, so I
okay
have
so
to
you are
understand.
English teacher yeah
Yes, I'm a primary school. I mean, I have been teaching in a private school as well, offline
yeah
and online, you can say.
yeah
Mm.
also in Bihar where you live in which specific place name
Do you know
because I am
Patna? Patna, do you know?
no I not listen maybe it's it yeah
Okay, it's okay. So I'm living there, and Patna is the capital of Bihar. You know very well.
yeah
So, do
do
you
you
have any questions you
yeah
want to
so
ask?
if yeah so if any you have any advice to peoples who are beginner for any peoples who wanted to more enhancing their own language English so
Hmm.
give advice how to any people I say now vocabulary hard words, but after some time they not remember it more long time.
Mhm. I will recommend you like what should you do? Like first of all, you have to speak with the co-learners,
Yeah,
with anyone you can say. After that, you have to read at least every single day 1 year and 2 pages of any stories. Reading it will help you to learn vocabulary and
yeah,
reminding your previous
yeah,
vocabulary what you learn every day, single day, right? Listening is very important. You go
yeah,
and listen conversational videos, so it will help you. It will motivate you, right?
yeah,
If
yeah,
you will watch somebody to speak with somebody, so
yeah,
it would be the motivation for you. So these are
yeah,
things you have to do. Being a co-learner, you have to do, and this way you can improve yourself.
yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
So nice conversation with you today. I really enjoy
okay,
this, and let's see in future we again connect.
okay. So
Yes.
have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Bye.